Now, factor variables. Here, there are some categorical variables. This is categorical variable, this is categorical variable, this is categorical variable, and finally, this is categorical variable. So now, this is the character format. So we have to convert the category. How to convert? Our first variable is smoking. Smoking is equal to s dot factor smoking. Second is place. S dot factor place. Third is ACS. ACS. S dot factor ACS. So we can give any space, no problem in our studio. And finally is BMI cat is equal to S dot factor BMI cat. So if we run, yes. So yes, the format will be not changed, but the properties will be changed. So now this is our clean data. So dear all, please pause the video and practice. And finally, when we will create any new variable, for example, this variable, this variable, this variable, then we should include in our code book. For example, this is our original variable, and we created new three variables. So we have to write here already. Yes, comma, comma. Yeah, these are the original variables, and these are the new variables. So when we will create new variable, obviously we have to add in the code book. These are code book.